In 2024, investors are keeping an eye on stocks that combine stability with strong growth potential, especially in a market facing economic uncertainties and rapid technological changes. Technology and AI stocks are particularly appealing as artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize industries. Large tech firms and companies specializing in AI infrastructure, like those involved in cloud computing and cybersecurity, are positioned to benefit from ongoing digital transformation. Renewable energy and sustainability stocks are also gaining traction. Companies focused on solar, wind, and electric vehicle infrastructure are poised to grow as demand for clean energy increases and governments provide incentives. Healthcare and biotech stocks offer additional potential, with advancements in gene therapy, AI-driven diagnostics, and pharmaceuticals creating opportunities for growth. Major healthcare players offer stability, while smaller biotech firms may bring high reward potential for those willing to take on more risk. In the consumer staples and defensive stock sectors, companies that provide essential goods and services are seen as resilient choices. These stocks are appealing for their stability, as they are less impacted by economic fluctuations. Finally, the financial and fintech sectors remain promising as digital payments continue to expand. Major banks and fintech companies are adapting to changing financial landscapes, making them well-positioned as digital transformation in finance continues. Investors should stay informed about market trends, assess company fundamentals, and consider consulting with a financial advisor to align their portfolios with long-term goals and risk tolerance.